Welcome to Big L's Fishing Adventure, where your adventure begins. Big L's Fishing Adventure, sponsored by Opticast, Kamuki, Netto Strap, Carrot Stick, Skull, Extreme Braid, Slammer, Line Cutters, and GoPro. Remember guys, fishing on ours is so awesome. Haha.
Hey, welcome to Big Zal's Fishing Adventure. Today we're going to be going fishing again at Metagami with Dave Reed. We're going to be trying something new today. I know the season is almost over, and I heard about the Carrot Stick. I'm sponsored by Carrot Stick. I heard some different things about them. So I want you guys to be the judge of that. I'll be going sturgeon fishing with a Wild Black Carrot Stick. And it's a medium fast, one piece with spin reel, and I'll be going sturgeon fishing, lake sturgeon fishing. People's gonna say you're crazy, Al, but I'm telling you guys, I want to try it out. I want to see how strong this rod is. So you guys be the judge of it when you see my video. I'll be using a 3-ounce weight with a South Bend pickle rig and some liquid mayhem and a couple piece of worm. So stay tuned, and hopefully you guys like my video. Hey guys, we're at Metagami right now, and I got a sturgeon on my line. Now I'll get Dave to hold the phone. All right, try that out. Bang. Whoa. Oh yeah, wild black, guys. One piece, medium fast. Catching sturgeon. On the rod it says not maximum weight, 3/8 of an ounce. And I'm using 3 ounce with a pickle rig. And I probably got a sturgeon there about 5 to 10 pounds right now. I know it's not a big fish, but it still shows you guys a lake sturgeon is strong. If you ever caught one, you'll know what I'm talking about. And for this wild carrot to pull those big fish, it's awesome. Holy smokes, look at this, guys. Look at the reel going. Woo! That's a big one. Whoa! We caught Monster King Kong there, guys. With the Wild Black, believe it or not. She doesn't want to come in. Oh my God, my arms are so sore. Talk about a fight before going home. Whew. Oh, look at this rod bend, guys. It's just going and going and going. Whew. And to tell you, Big Al winching a rod like this is amazing. Not even breaking yet. Wild carrot. That's a black series. But it needs good line too, and I'm using Extreme Braid 8 slick. 20-pound test on this rod. I knew I was coming for big sturgeon, so. Oh my God, this one doesn't want to come, guys. I think it's my second biggest one of the day. Oh, I think I'm tiring it out. It's tiring me out. Ayo. Oh. Look at that, guys. Oh, look at the rod bending. Woo. What a fish. This is so amazing, guys. Oh, still has a lot of power in her. Look at that go. Oh. A little bit of liquid mayhem with that there, guys. Look what it does. Ooh, big fish. Don't be shy to use that, guys. If you come in Timmins, Ontario, Albert Sport and Warehouse brings this, carries this liquid mayhem. And we've been using the crawfish one. Oh, holy moly. Hey, this fish has power, guys. If you guys don't know how to set up a drag, go home at night, get a pound of butter out, set your drag for a pound, and when your line goes down slow, it means it's set up right. Don't ever touch your drag again. For starters, people that don't know how to set up a drag, that's how I did. That's how I learned from my father, and I never had problem to pull out some big fish after. Oh man, guys, this fish is working me out. Oh, she's a big mama. Oh, I think this is the second big one today. Oh yeah, look at the bubbles. Oh, come here, mama. Oh yeah, that's a big one, guys. She doesn't want to come up. There she is. Look at that guy. Oh, there, this is like King Kong. She owns the water, I tell you guys. She's worth the catch. Look at that coming up. Boom! Oh! Now if I could come in and bring her out, even better. Oh man, lake sturgeon, guys. Oh yeah. Let's try to get her out here. Oh, I gotta pull that up. So big. Oh yeah! Look at that, guys. Oh, this thing is like over 20 pounds. Big mama. All right. To the next time, guys. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, thank you for watching Big Al's Fishing Adventure. Hopefully you guys enjoyed all the nice big fish we've been catching with wild carrot and liquid mayhem and extreme braid. I'm hoping that you guys seen what I was talking about, the wild black series carrot stick. So you guys be the judge of that and go at www.carrotstick.com, and for good line, guys, don't forget to go at www.extremebraid.com. Those are the best line on the market that I've seen so far. So don't be shy, guys, and try it out. So stay tuned on our videos, and hopefully that you guys gonna enjoy more of our shots later on. I'll be doing some ice fishing soon, so I'll try to make some nice video on ice fishing also. So guys, don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe. And down below our channel, you could see all the sites that I'm on, so you could follow me and like me and try to share the stuff with other people so they could see all the new product we got on the market. Thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. To the next one, guys.
Thanks for watching Big Al's Fishing Adventure. Please don't forget to subscribe under our YouTube channel. And guys, don't forget, fishing is all for fun.